The ocean, a vast blue expanse that covers most of our planet, but about which we know so little. Beneath the surface, in the darkness and silence of the depths, lie some of the most amazing and incomprehensible secrets of the Earth. From creatures that seem to defy death to phenomena that seem straight out of science fiction, the ocean remains a land of mystery and wonder. Did you know that there are rivers and waterfalls under the sea? Or that there are creatures that glow in the dark like sea lights? In this video, we invite you to dive with us into the unknown. We will explore 10 of the most incredible and least known curiosities of the ocean, a place that still holds secrets waiting to be discovered. Get ready to discover the most hidden side of the ocean and marvel at the life that thrives in its depths. This is much more than water. This is the mystery of the sea. Let's get started. Underneath the calm surface of the ocean, there are enormous forces at work. Thousands of active volcanoes rest in the depths, some of which could erupt at any moment. In the Pacific, the underwater volcano Hunga Tonga Hunga Ha'apai has erupted several times in the last decade, forming mountains and sometimes even new islands. These volcanoes are one of the greatest geological forces, shaping our planet from the seabed. Coral reefs are much more than colorful landscapes. They are also communities full of life. In fact, when in danger, some reefs emit sounds, as if crying, to attract young fish. This underwater cry serves as a call for help, guiding the fish back to the reef and thus ensuring the balance of the ecosystem. A silent but powerful act of survival. It may seem that sand is abundant in the world, but this resource is so valuable that in some parts of the planet there is a black market for sand. Illegal sand extraction is destroying beaches and reefs, seriously affecting marine ecosystems. It is an example of how human greed impacts even what we consider abundant and infinite. More than 1,000 meters underwater, where sunlight does not reach, many organisms have developed a surprising power bioluminescence. Fish, jellyfish, and even squid can generate their own light to attract prey, communicate, or fool predators in absolute darkness. It is an ability that seems straight out of science fiction, but it is a fascinating reality of the deep sea. Who would have thought that a small jellyfish could hold the secret of immortality? The Turritopsis dohrnii is a unique species capable of reversing its life cycle. When conditions are adverse, it can return to a juvenile stage, restarting its life again and again. This cycle has earned it the title of the immortal jellyfish, a creature that seems to defy the laws of nature. The ocean holds surprises beneath its surface, such as internal waves. These giant underwater waves can reach heights of up to 200 meters on the seafloor, much higher than the waves we see on the surface. These internal waves help mix the deep waters, redistributing nutrients and maintaining the balance in the ocean, like a powerful movement that we never see. At extreme depths of the ocean, such as in the Mariana Trench, the pressure is 1,000 times greater than at the surface. It is so intense that it would crush a conventional submarine in seconds. However, some amazing creatures live in these conditions, withstanding pressure that defies imagination, an extreme world that very few have had the opportunity to explore. When we think of the oxygen we breathe, most people imagine the great forests of Earth. However, it is the phytoplankton in the ocean that produces most of the oxygen on our planet. Through photosynthesis, these tiny marine plants transform the ocean into a gigantic lung that sustains life on Earth. Starfish possess an extraordinary ability. If they lose one of their arms, they can regenerate it completely. In fact, some species can regenerate an entire body from a single arm, like an act of nature's magic. This regenerative ability makes starfish one of the most resilient creatures in the ocean. Deep in the ocean, there are hydrothermal vents, also called black smokers. These openings in the seabed expel water at extreme temperatures, up to 400 degrees Celsius, creating columns of minerals that support unique life forms. In this harsh, dark environment, extraordinary creatures have found a way to thrive, showing that life finds a way in the most unexpected places.